Welcome back to Math Maintenance. Today we're talking about when we see integers in the real world, how do we know whether those integers or those whole numbers are positive or negative numbers? And so there's all sorts of different scenarios where you might see a story problem or hear somebody telling a story, and they use different clue words that would let you know whether they're talking about positive or negative. And so, for example, if somebody is talking about their weight and they say that they gained a certain number of weight, gained is telling you that they are talking about a positive number, that number is going up. On the flip side of that, if somebody says they lost a certain amount of weight, loss is normally in the negative column. The same thing goes with if somebody loses money in the stock market, that means that it's gone down. When the stock market gains, that means the number is going up. Other things that you might hear, the stock market climbs or somebody climbs a ladder, that's going to be a clue to the positive. If we say that something goes down or declines, that's going to be moving in the negative direction. When we spend money, that's in the negative direction. Same thing if we use our debit card, debit's going to take away, whereas a credit is getting added to your account, or a deposit is being added to your account. If things increase by a certain amount, we're talking about the positive. If they decrease by a certain amount, we're talking about negative numbers. If we dig out something, like we're digging out a hole, that's a negative distance. If we pile something up, it's obviously going in the positive direction. When I buy sale items, I might get a percentage off. That's my price is decreasing, it's going down. If I withdraw something from my bank account, a withdrawal takes the total amount in my bank account down. On your packet today, there is a sheet that kind of goes with what we were just talking about. I think I got most of them. Integers in the real world. And so you're just writing out the integer to represent each of these situations. So for example, a loss of 14 pounds. Loss is one of our negatives. So we would write that as negative 14. So you're just filling in the integer in each of those boxes all the way throughout the sheet. There's a mystery picture for you to do digitally today that will allow you to complete the problem, fill in the answer, and then if you get it right, it'll fill in a row of colored boxes on a Google Sheet, and then eventually you'll have the whole picture. Your digital game for today is practicing adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. Good luck!